In this video, we are going to unbox the SD-10023, a super bright injection-molded thermoplastic running man combo light by Standard Fire Safety. Upon opening the box, you can see the LED light, the backside frame, a bag containing the installation sheet and 3 polycarbonate pictograms. This product comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Inside the housing, you will find a ceiling and wall installation kit and 2 LED lamps. On the side, you will find a test button. For more information about this product or any other of our products, please visit our website at standardfs.com.